those numbers that we place in the camera are the least important thing in dental photography, you know. The exposure, if we talk about numbers, we are talking about the exposure. Is the quantity of light that is going to have your image, okay? And usually we want to see teeth and gums, and they are well exposed. You see everything not too dark or too white. So that is the simple part, okay? It's very simple. The most important part is what I call the photographic checkpoints, okay? It's like a checklist that you have to follow if you want to photograph. And this is related with, first thing, choose a magnification to photograph. And this is answering about consistency, reproducibility, because if you use the same magnification, you will have always the same magnification. The teeth always of the same size. Imagine that you have a before and after. You can superimpose them because you are in the right distance to photograph both. You will not have distortion, and all the mouths of your patient will be in the same size, okay? So this is the first important thing, magnification. Then another thing is about composition and orientation, okay? You have to know in each photo what you want to have. I don't want to have the tongue, for instance, in the lower occlusal photo. Then you have the most important thing and most difficult, and that usually colleagues have some more difficult. It's about orientation. It's like, how am I going to land this plane, okay? How am I going to have always the same place to see the mouth? So I have some guides, okay, some lines, some references in the mouth, inside the mouth, that you can follow so that you can have the photo with the patient sitting, okay? When you have to finish 2 central incisors, we go to the front of the teeth and you have to see the plane and the mouth and the pupil line so that you can have the teeth perfect, okay? With dental photography, I don't need that because with those references that I'm gonna give you, you can have the patients lying down and you can have the photos perfect. And also to have the photos before and after that you can superimpose